Welcome to my new video. This is the Afrin sarees. Today I am showing Banarsi pure khaddi Georgette saree. This is the design weaving all over pure antique zari weaving. Very soft and smooth fabric. This is the Konya pattern. Banarsi border. This is a very soft and smooth. Very luxurious sarees. Very presenting. Full body weaving and a plain blouse and a patti, orange and a rani color combination, and we are customizing color. Any one color you want, you tell me. We are make and give you. My WhatsApp number showing your screen. You want to book, so contact me. And we have a Banarsi more collection. Banarsi pure Katan silk sari, Banarsi pure Khaddi Georgette sari, Banarsi pure Kora silk sari, Banarsi pure Tussar silk sarees, Banarsi pure Dupian silk sarees, Chinya silk sarees. We have a Banarsi pure all type sarees. We are giving only manufacturer price. Thanks for watching video.